Man, I haven't done this in a while. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be replacing the kidney grills. I'm not a fan of these chrome ones here. I did get a pair of gloss black ones, and to do it we don't have to take the bumper off, but we do have to take some screws off here just so we can get behind here. Remove this, and then here are the bit, I think it's a T25. Yeah, T25. I'm going to take these push pins out. So on the kidney grills there are these little tabs, and they're on the same ones on the factory. So we got to get in here to try to release the tab, and in order to do so,
we have the picks in here, and then you use this thing.
I don't know if you can see them. Can you see that? Down there?
Yeah. There's
right here.
Right there, yeah.
So we just gotta push them down. Or, let's see.
Can you switch over to a screwdriver?
Yep, just a flathead. It's working better.
What if we just take like the Sawzall and just like extend the grills down like the new M4 and M3?
There's nothing wrong with you, kid. There we go. There we go.
You broke a clip.
We're replacing them. That's how I did it on the 5 Series. Do the same thing over here.
Alright, so after you break those clips,
it's only 2.
Go ahead and install
these
the
could
new
still
one.
work. So I guess it goes in like that.
Does it just snap in?
Yep. Just like that. Just like so. So we were going to put the splitter on today, but the tape is not sticking to the bottom of the bumper or the splitter, so we'll say that for another video. You want to make sure that your bumper lines up the same gap with the hood before you put this back together. If it's not, just loosen back up and push it in, and then tighten them back down to where you want it to be, whatever gap you want it to be. So that'll do it. Nice, short and sweet, easy DIY project you can do at home. Please make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video.